For day 485 of my transformation journey. I've woken up early on Saturday morning. Usually I would be sleeping, but today here I am on a lovely walk just to get some fresh air. There's a big flock of birds. Not sure if you can see it. Yeah. So this is BBC. And the famous ITV just down there. I think Coronation Street's somewhere here. BBC News, BBC Radio, BBC One 4. Some sort of an event going on. Everyone's running, excited. I was right, this is Coronation Street.
Wait a minute.
So like I said, step one's mindfulness or meditation, whatever, to clean your mind. But the next bit is to fill that in with something else. Because empty mind can attract the wrong things. And not just anything, but fill your mind with something that really engages your brain, that forces you to use your brain. I'm not sure what this is.
Says he wasn't scared is either crazy or a liar. We realized that
your mates going down right and left, you were face to face with a sharp realisation that this is the end of it.
When I saw the bullets coming along, all I thought was, am I going to live?
We hope this daily picture show has inspired you to explore the museum further. You can see more of the Imperial War Museum's extensive collections in the displays around you. If you've been affected by any issues raised in the daily picture show, or if you have any questions, please speak to one of our staff or volunteers who are here to help you throughout your visit.
This is an amazing car. So women had a big impact in the war. There's a lot of contribution from them.
Another good place for a refuge is a cupboard under the stairs. Reinforce the stairs and the side like this. If the stairs are on an outside wall, stack up containers of earth or sand to make the wall thicker to resist radiation.
Is laid out. That timeline post just says 5 departments for the Swansea second. If you start in that corner and then go down.
So that was a quick tour of the War Museum and Exhibition Centre. think that's enough for the day. It's still early Saturday morning. Well, I say late morning now, I guess. And it's time to head back, start doing for the weekend. So if there's something else, I'll probably show it to you. Otherwise, let's see. Oh yeah, and lastly, I forgot the gift shop. That's my favorite bit. I think I'm gonna get one of these. The Flying Mustang.